Not eating rice.
Not eating rice is 6. Hindi naman sa hindi siya ganun ka-importante. Very important na kumakain pa rin ng kanin. Of course, good carb yun. But if you want other carb sources, marami naman. Like mga gulay and grains.
Low-calorie food swap.
Lagi ko to sa 3 kasi fat loss friendly talaga, mga low calorie options. Since you will get the same satisfaction dun sa lower calorie na alternative.
Consistent calorie tracking.
This is number 1 kasi by consistently tracking, it will be more objective, and if it is more objective, mas nagiging predictable siya. So alam mo yung gagawing adjustments kung tataasan or bababaan yung calories.
High-protein meals.
Ito, this is number 2 kasi when you eat high protein meals, it keeps you full for longer and mas satisfying yung feeling kapag high protein yung meal mo.
Sleep and stress control.
I'd put this at 5 kasi very important talaga ang sleep and recovery. And kung kulang yung sleep mo, mas tataas yung cravings mo. So, mas mahihirapan kang i-control yung eating habits mo for that day.
Daily movement or steps.
4, very important to na gumagalaw tayo throughout the day kasi mas marami kang calories na baburn actually throughout the day more than yung 1 to 2 hours of you working out.